Okay, we are not opening Star Wars today. No, no, no. You might see 30 up here, but we only have 10 Star Wars because as we scroll down...
Oh my god, that's what the cubes look like?
That is Nikki's first time seeing them. I saw them last night. So excited. I have no idea what this unboxing experience is going to be like. That's Mickey and Friends. So you'll see we have 10 here. And we have
cubes.
10 more on page 2. And it's buy one, get one this week. So we will have 20 more Mickey and Friends cubes coming our way. So you'll see we've got 30 here and 20 more. So we've got a total of 50 cubes to open. We have 138 already opened. So we are creeping up on the 200 mark. We're getting there. So, Mr. Nick, we have 10 on this page, 10 on the next page. Let's just pick one. Just point to the screen and just pick one.
That one.
Just the first one in a row.
Yep.
Okay, guys. Oh, look at the little Mickey Village in the back. I love it. Mickey and Friends Volume 1. Hero tier packaging closed. Okay. I have no idea what to expect. We've heard it's amazing.
Can I click it?
Yes, you can click it.
Oh my god, look.
Okay.
Start your experience. It's going to be awesome.
Look at that. I mean, that shooting star is just very Disney, very Tinkerbell. Wait, don't do it yet. Oh, man. Look at the black and white, hand-drawn look. The music is just old-school Mickey. All right, bud. Go ahead. Click and hold. Let's see it. I'm not even ready for this.
This is your quest.
It turns the color. The Mickey Mouse Clubhouse song. That's... Oh, my God! Look at what it started with! It started amazing right out of the gate. We got a legendary Pluto.
Oh my god. Wow.
Amazing first pull. Oh, my God, this whole village... You didn't even realize... You're just like... You were so amazed by what you were seeing happen. You didn't even realize who we pulled. Look at that bone. Guys. Oh, my God. I mean... UFO was cool. Masters of the Universe got cooler. Star Wars was really special with the light and the dark sides of the Force. But this is just Disney magic coming to life. Oh my God. Look at Pluto's house on the side there with the bone. Oh man. And just the Mickey Mouse Club song from the old days. Guys, really, really, really remarkable. Oh my God, Neon Pluto, legendary. Neon Pluto's a playful pup and Mickey's loyal sidekick. He can be the brave protector as well as the scaredy cat in need of protecting. He's up for anything until he finds himself in the middle of a wacky situation he's totally unprepared for. Oh man, I mean, what a great pull out of the gate. Awesome. All right, we're going to have more coming for you. We have 19 more of these to go and 20 more on the way, like I told you. So, what do you think, kiddo? You happy? Look at it. Nikki has no words. That tells you all you need to know. All right, we'll see you for the next. I'm just kind of stunned at what happened. I need to open another one just to fully take it all in. Wow. Great stuff. See you soon.